Welcome to our channel. In this video, the most amazing and fastest big tree cutting machines in action. Watch as these powerful and dangerous tree harvesters and stump destroy machines tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Now let's get started. It's a message of respect for the professionalism and skill of the individuals involved, especially when dealing with high-risk tasks like cutting down large trees. It acknowledges both the intensity of the moment and the expertise required to navigate it safely. The Woodcracker G1650. The Woodcracker G1650 can be used for various tasks, including clearing debris, collecting root material, and preparing the forest floor for planting or other activities. The 1650mm working width allows for efficient clearing of large areas. The Woodcracker G1650 is particularly popular in environments where fast and controlled removal of trees is necessary, combining power and versatility to enhance productivity in challenging forestry tasks. The DAF250EX. This powerful combination of machine and attachment makes the DAF250EX Tigercat M726D an ideal choice for professionals who need to tackle demanding forestry and land clearing tasks. The M726D is equipped with advanced hydraulic systems and a strong powertrain that provides optimal force and maneuverability for forestry operations. This combination is particularly favored in environments that require heavy-duty clearing of dense vegetation and trees. This machine is a game changer. The John Deere 640H. This is a 640H, and it's built for one thing: getting the job done. Identifies the specific model, known for its durability and efficiency, and highlights its primary purpose: heavy-duty logging tasks. A strong, fuel-efficient, powered by 6068 engine that delivering 172 horsepower. This is a fun chainsaw competition where the Stair MS400 and the Stair 462 will be put to the test to see which one is the better chainsaw. The winner will be crowned the king of the forest. The Kubic 2 firewood. The Kubic 2 is a highly efficient and durable firewood processing machine designed to significantly improve the efficiency of firewood production. While the initial investment cost is substantial, ranging from $10,000 to $15,000 USD, it offers a strong return on investment for serious firewood producers. By reducing labor costs, increasing output, and speeding up turnaround time, the Kubic 2 can ultimately save businesses money and increase their profitability. the Bandit 2550T. The Bandit 2550T is a high-performance wood chipper designed for professionals. It boasts a robust 49 horsepower Kohler engine, known for its reliability and strong output. The machine's cutting teeth are engineered to shred through wood effortlessly, making it highly efficient for heavy-duty chipping tasks. Despite its significant price tag of $334,950, the investment reflects its unparalleled power and cutting-edge performance. The HSM405H. The HSM405H is a powerful and versatile machine capable of handling challenging off-road terrain. It highlights the machine's ability to navigate through rugged mountains, dense forests, and difficult weather conditions. The HSM405H is compared to an off-road vehicle, but instead of carrying passengers, it's designed for timber hauling. The text emphasizes the machine's precision and ease of use, suggesting that anyone can operate it effectively.
This tree has got a bad split going up. You can see that split going all the way up it.
This situation where someone is facing a difficult and potentially dangerous challenge, but they are determined to overcome it. They are using their creativity and resourcefulness to find solutions and overcome obstacles. While their approach may be risky, it ultimately proves to be successful. The truck is moving downhill on a steep slope, which can be challenging due to gravity increasing the momentum and making braking more difficult. The entire scene is intense and dramatic, reminiscent of an action movie. It emphasizes the sheer power of the truck barreling down and hints at the potential risk of losing control, evoking a sense of thrill and anxiety. The DAF180D. The DAF180D is a top-of-the-line forestry mulcher that can handle even the most challenging land clearing projects with exceptional performance and reliability. A powerful piece of heavy machinery designed specifically for clearing land by cutting, shredding, and mulching trees, brush, and vegetation. Known for its robust build and ability to handle large-scale, demanding projects. Stair stepping is a technique used in tree felling, where the lumberjack makes a series of precisely placed cuts on a leaning tree, creating a step-like effect. This method is used to control the direction of the fall and prevent premature breaking. It requires a deep understanding of tree mechanics and significant experience, making it unsuitable for beginners. The Ponce Wisent. The Wisent is a remarkable piece of modern forestry engineering. Its 8-wheel design grants it outstanding stability and maneuverability, making it capable of traversing rough and uneven terrain with minimal environmental impact. Equipped with a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that ensures smooth operation even in challenging terrain. Typically around 12 to 14 tons, making it ideal for transporting logs from the felling site to the roadside. The John Deere 959 KII. The John Deere 959 Feller Buncher is a powerful forestry machine designed for cutting and collecting trees efficiently. When equipped with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, the machine demonstrates a significant boost in cutting efficiency. Its ability to maintain grip and pull through challenging terrain and exceptional maneuverability allow it to perform well in dense forest environments. The 28C hot saw head, known for its rapid cutting cycle, enhances the machine's capacity to harvest timber, especially in stands with large diameter trees. This video expresses admiration for professionals who have achieved a significant accomplishment. It suggests that their success is the result of years of hard work, dedication, and skill. The speaker feels a sense of satisfaction and pride in witnessing their achievement, recognizing the effort and expertise that went into it. This video emphasizes the speed and seamless movement of logs on the conveyor belt and highlights the transformative aspect of the wood processing, suggesting an awe for the journey from raw timber to refined product. The use of casual, expressive conveys excitement and amazement, making it relatable and fun for the audience. The Biochip 20. The Biochip 20 is a specific model of wood chipper manufactured by Ryan's Equipment. It is known for its powerful 260 HP Cummins diesel engine, 20-inch chipping drum, and large fuel and hydraulic tanks. This makes it a suitable choice for professional landscapers, arborists, and forestry workers who need a high-capacity wood chipper for heavy-duty applications. The TimberPro TB 830. The TimberPro TB 830 is a powerful, purpose-built forestry machine primarily used for felling and processing trees. That is designed to handle various attachments, such as harvester heads and grapples, which allow it to fell, cut, and process trees efficiently. The TimberPro TB 830 is valued for its ability to combine felling and processing tasks, enhancing productivity and efficiency in logging operations. The risks involved in the timber hauling, while the work is crucial for various sectors, it poses significant hazards to the workers involved. This statement emphasizes the need for awareness of these dangers and recognition of the sacrifices made by those who engage in this essential but perilous profession. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.